Good morning, Mr. Chapman.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You can proceed when you're ready.
In each of these matters, Mr. Ferris is here today after failing to appear before referee Bradfield on February 10th, 2023. Bond in the first case is currently set at $1,404. Bond in the second case is currently $500. This is the second bench warrant in each case. He reports no employment. Last payment made on these accounts was in October of 2020. Front of the court recommends that reasonable bonds be set in these matters and they be scheduled for hearing on November 1st, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. before this court.
Thank you. Mr. Barris, in this matter, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. The purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your attendance at the next hearing on November 1, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond, sir?
It depends on how much, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, of course, considering the fact you do have prior bench warrants and you haven't paid in now close to 3 years. So what I'm going to do, the court's going to set your bond in both cases in the amount of $300. If you're able to post that, be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. You're free to go. Have a good day.
Is here today after failing to appear before referee Snyder on November 15th, 2022. Bond is currently set at $500. This is the first bench warrant. Ms. Yeager refused to provide any information to the deputy that spoke with her this morning, and there have been no payments made on this account. Front of the court recommends that a reasonable bond be set on this matter and it be scheduled for hearing on November 1st, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. before this court.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Yeager, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. The purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your attendance at the next hearing on November 1, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond, ma'am?
No,
Okay.
I don't. I was robbed, assaulted, raped, beat up. I have no address, no phone because I keep getting robbed.
Okay.
No
Well-
support. I have set things up. The day that someone called the cops on me to steal my dog, my safety dog, I had something in place. Then the guy takes my dog, calls the cops on me so he can steal my dog. The cop said, calm down. I said, well, get me my dog. The guy stole it. What's your name? I said it 3 times. He couldn't even hear me.
Okay. Well, what I'm going to do is it is your first,
So for 12 hours, I sat in my piss clothes because the guy took my dog and I said, give me my dog back. He made me pee my pants because he said something and ran off. I froze. I was treated as if I was being aggressive when I was still. I was put in a strap in a chair. I said, can I please change my pants?
Okay.
These 5 ladies, I'm sorry, but this is no one has requested to speak to someone.
Would you stop? That doesn't go to the issue of bond. I don't need to hear all of that. It's not your
I'm saying I'm distressed. I asked to speak to someone so I would become undistressed.
Okay, would you
so
stop?
I take care of this matter, and no one will let me.
Yeah. What the court's going to do, it is your first bench warrant, so the court's taking that into consideration, but you've not ever made a payment in this matter, so I'm considering that as well. I'm going to set your bond. I'm going to set your bond in the amount of $100. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any?
How can I post something when I was stopped in my tracks? Every time I have an opportunity to make money, someone prevents me.
Okay, thank you. That's all we need today, ma'am. You're free to go.
So what's going to happen? I'm stuck in jail until the 1st?
You'll stay there till the 1st if you don't post.
Okay, I have a tooth that I need to get taken care of. I need to get the guy who stole my puppy Can I please be allowed to do my adult things so I can even make this money? How can I make money if no one will allow me to?
Would you please mute her?
I-
Thank you. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Chapman, with the other matters.
Thank you, Your
Yes.
Honor. I have some bench warrants for the record here. Oh,